everyone. Topic is skip counting in 4-digit numbers. Children, what is skip counting? If we write numbers by skipping a fixed number each time, it is called skip counting. Okay? This means that if there is a fixed difference on any given numbers, then we call it skip counting. Let's understand one example, counting by twos. Given number is 1022 and 1024. That means there is a gap of two numbers between two successive numbers. This means that is any two given numbers, there will be a gap of two numbers in consecutive numbers. We will call skip counting by twos. Okay? Look carefully. 1022. Now we have observed it. So 1022 plus 2 is 1024. That means it is a forward counting twos. So again plus 2 is 1026. Again plus 2, 1028. Now again plus 2 is 1030. Now understand skip counting threes. Now we have to do a gap of three consecutive numbers in the given numbers. So 3228 plus 3 is 3231. Again plus 3 is 3234. Again plus 3 is 3237. Now again plus 3 is 3240. That's clear? Okay. Now next topic is skip counting fives. Children, there is a gap of 5 numbers between two successive numbers. Means there will be a difference of 5 numbers between two successive numbers. Okay? Example 2550. So children, 2550, now we have observed it. So 2550 plus 5 is 2555. That means it a forward counting fives. Okay? Again plus 5 is 2560. Again plus 5 is 2565. Again plus 5 is 2570. Clear, student? So in all, this is about the skip counting of 2s, 3 and 5s. Okay? Now we understand skip counting by tens. Means there is a gap of 10 numbers between two successive numbers. It has to be done in the same way. Just you have to keep in mind that how many numbers gap we have to do in two successive numbers. Example 6100. So 6100 plus 10 is 6110. Now again plus 10 is 6120. Again plus 10 is 6130. Now again plus 10 is 6140. So you can see that there is gap of the 10 numbers here. Okay? Children, now we have to understand skip counting by hundreds. Children, there is a gap of 100 numbers between two successive numbers. That means there will be a difference of 100 numbers between two successive numbers. Example, 7210. So 7210 plus 100 is 7310. Plus 100 is 7410. Again plus 100 is 7510, and again plus 100 is 7610. Is that clear? Okay. So you can see that there is gap of the 100 number here. Okay. Now we have to understand skip counting by thousands. So children, there is a gap of 1000 number between two successive number. It has to be done in the same way. Just you have to keep in mind that how many number gap we have to do in two successive number. Okay. Example, 4200. So children, 4200 plus 1000 is 5200. Again plus 1000 is 6200. Again plus 1000 is 7200, and again plus 1000 is 8200. So you can see that there is gap of the 1000 number here. Children, I hope that in this way all of you have understood the counting of this. Okay? Thank you.